Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel R&S Collection. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection, you see the ideas of haircut, of styling, haircut, bob haircut, short haircut, of styling, haircut. Haircut is very important, and when you take any haircut, your personality automatically change. You look so pretty, you look so nice. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This collection is all about new trending and latest collection is only for you. So thank you so much guys to watch the video, like to my video, share to my video. Haircut is very amazing. Take a picture, go to a salon and take a beautiful haircut.